Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you two ways how to fill the corner spaces in the kitchen with MSMV Design software. The first option includes a Lazy Susan and a wall diagonal corner cabinet. And the second option uses a base blind corner cabinet and a wall blind corner cabinet, both requiring filler pieces. Let's see how this works in MSMV. Go to Cabinets, Corner, and choose a Lazy Susan. Next, let's find the wall diagonal corner cabinet. Place it above the Lazy Susan and add a cabinet next to the wall diagonal. Go to 3D. Nice. Now we will add the base blind corner cabinet and the filler piece. Let's add the wall blind corner cabinet. Now the filler piece and the adjacent cabinet. Thank you for watching.